Hi guys, this is one of those side tracks I go down occasionally. Had a comment from Becky Savage about my cheese witch, which has been running for I don't know how long, an awfully long time. The cheese, I don't know if we can see it at all. It's dried out. It's well sealed in plastic so we don't have to smell it. Every so often I have to replace the magnesium strip because it gets eaten away by the electrolysis process. But as you can see, she's going nicely. Becky suggested using clay instead of cheese. I've done lots of videos on this subject, so you'll have to have a look in the video description for the playlist. I've done ice cream, apples, pears, onions, all sorts of things. That one is tea bags. It's running on that one. That one is soil from the garden. Just dug up a scoopful, stuck it in there. That one's running fine. I do have to top these two up with water occasionally because they do dry out in the window ledge here in the sunshine. Again, I have to replace the magnesium strips every so often. That one was full of water, but as you can see, I've let that completely dry out. We went on holiday. I didn't worry about it when we came back. It completely dried out. I think that's about it as far as clocks go at the moment. So the sidetrack or the rabbit hole was the fact that she said try clay. And I thought, well, what I haven't tried is this stuff, which people might call modelling clay. It's what I would call plasticine. Now, it's oil-based, I think. I don't think it's water-based, so I don't think it will conduct. And the same with this. This is BlueTac, which I use all the time for sticking things to things. It's a good temporary fix. It holds well, but you can pull it apart again easily. And again, I think that's oil-based. And you really need some sort of, well, I say you need, my experience is you need something that's water-based. So I don't think either of them will work. All I'll do is I'll use this bit of copper pipe as the positive terminal. And that little bit there is a bit of magnesium strip that we'll use as the negative terminal. I'll put a camera on the tripod and we'll have a look. We'll just be measuring voltage. We won't be trying to run anything with it. And the reason we're just measuring voltage, not trying to run anything with it, is because I don't think it will work. But I'm prepared to be surprised. Can we see that anyway? Let's put that in a position where we might be able to see it. Okay. And put a couple of crocodile clips on. In fact, I'll use half of that to hold these still. Right. Negative is the magnesium strip. Positive is the copper strip. And if we're looking at the voltage at the moment, if I just wet my finger, one and a half volts. So that's just my saliva acting as the electrolyte. So if we stick that in there and stick that next to it, nothing. We had some voltage there while I was touching it, because that's my conducting through my fingers again. But yeah, we got nothing there through BlueTac. Nothing there through Plasticine. Back to my wet finger. 1.5 volts. So yeah, that sort of modelling clay, plasticine, no good at all, and BlueTac doesn't work either. And so I think that's because they're oil based. I don't know for a fact, but I think they are. Just a thought, if you're not familiar with the Plasticine trade name, there you go. Never dries out. 8 colours. Well, there probably was 8 colours there originally. They've been mixed together. There's nothing on there that tells you what it's actually made from. You'll have to Google it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.